Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to clear Safari cookies and cache on Mac. To do that, just open Safari, then click on Safari on the status bar, and now go to Settings. You can also access Settings by clicking on Command and Comma. Then go to Privacy tab, Manage Website Data. And here you can see all of the website data that's stored in your cache. Then you can also see which data is stored by different websites. For example, cache, cookies, local storage, databases, or anything else. To remove something, just click on it, then click on Remove. Or you can click on Remove All and click on Remove Now. Then it will remove or cache and cookies. Then click on Done. Remember that this process is invertible, not invertible. So if you delete it, you will not be able to invert it. So do it at your own risk. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.